Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can design the second part of the connecting rod of the V12 car engine in FreeCAD, okay?
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to click on New, then Create Body, then Create Sketch. You click on the XY plane, then click on OK. Now I'm gonna go and use the circle command to draw a circle of 38 millimeter here and another circle of 70 millimeter here. Now I'm gonna go and use the line command. I'm gonna draw a line like this, and the distance between the line and this axis will be 30 millimeter, okay? Now I'm gonna click on this line, then symmetry using this axis, then I'm gonna go to the line again. I'm gonna draw a line like this. Now I'm gonna go and use the trim command. I'm gonna delete this part of the circle, this part of the line, like this, step by step. Now I'm gonna add another circle of 52, like this. I'm gonna add a line between this point and this point. I'm gonna use the trim command. I'm gonna remove this part of the circle, 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 this part of the line, this part, and this part of the line. Okay? I'm gonna click on close. Now I'm gonna use the pad command. I'm gonna change the type from dimension to 2 dimensions. For the first length I'm gonna add 5.5 millimeter, and for the second length I'm gonna add another 5.5 millimeter. Then click on OK. Now I'm gonna click on this face, then create sketch. I'm gonna add a circle of 38 millimeter diameter, another circle of 42 millimeter diameter. I'm gonna click on this line like this. I'm gonna use the trim edge command. I'm gonna remove this part of the circle, this part of the circle, this line and this line and this line. I'm gonna click on close. I'm gonna add a pad of 3 millimeter. Hit enter. I'm gonna click on the pad, then use the mirrored command. I'm gonna use the XY plan to get something like this. Then you click on OK. Now I'm gonna click on this face, create sketch. I'm gonna add a circle of 5 millimeter here, and the distance between this point and this axis will be 26 millimeter. Okay. I'm gonna click on close. I'm gonna use the pocket command. I'm gonna change the type from dimension to through all, then you click on OK. Great. Now I'm gonna click on the pocket, then my rolled command. Then I'm gonna use the YZ plan. Then I'm gonna click on OK. Great. Okay, now I'm gonna go and use the fillet command. I'm gonna add a fillet here and another one here, and the radius of the fillet will be 2 millimeter. Then you hit enter. Okay. Also, I'm gonna go and use the chamfer command. I'm gonna add a chamfer of 1 millimeter here on this edge, also on this edge and on this edge. I'm gonna click on OK. I'm gonna do the same thing here and here, here and here. Okay. Also here and here. Then you click on OK. So as you can see here on the screen, this is how you can create or design the second part of the connecting rod of the V12 car engine in FreeCAD, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Savvy Engineer Business channel. Thanks for watching.